Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris here. Now that you've seen what comes with the new Oknife Mini Drever, let's take a look at it. The Mini Drever is a G10 handle. It has these integrated scale cuts showcase the electric blue, so I can get it in the light here. The electric blue liners, which is a nice neat little feature. It's on both sides actually. Has a deep carry pocket clip, sits real well in the pocket in my opinion. It has your dual thumb studs. Nice little flipper tab. Real nice and snappy, real smooth. It is N690 blade steel. Comes in at overall length of 6.05 inches with a blade length of 3.15 inches. And pretty light, weighing in at 2.43 ounces. Sits real well in the hand, real nice small, got nice ergonomics to it. It can be deployed with the thumb studs or the flipper tab. Uses your standard Torx bits. You'd be T8 for your pivot screw here, and your clip screws and your body screws are T6. Me personally, I recommend Weehaw. They are a nice reputable Torx brand, fairly decently priced. This is our mini version of the Drever, the original Oknife Drever. It's got a little bit of a different look to it with the scales. So I just wanted to kind of add a little bit of a flair, give it a little bit of character. It sits real nice in hand, real smooth, real snappy. Comes very sharp out of the box, so please be careful because it will cut you. So here you are, the new Oknife Mini Drever. Check it out at oknife.com. Thanks guys, have a great day.